my dear children. Welcome to my second digital lesson on mathematics. Today we are going to learn comparing and ordering the numbers. So let's start with the first topic, that is comparing the numbers. Alright. While comparing the numbers, the first thing that we need to check is step 1, the sign. Greater than and less than sign. Alright. This sign, you need to know that where do we place it and how do we place it while comparing two numbers. The broader side of the sign opens up towards the bigger number and the narrower end is placed towards the smaller number. Alright, like the opened up side is always towards the big number and the closed end is towards the smaller number. Now, let's see step number 2. What is given there is write the place value. For example, number 1. We have two numbers given to us. We have to use the sign and we have to keep in mind that we have to write the place values. So let's see how to write the place values and compare both the numbers. So let's begin with it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now you need to read the number. It is 23 lakh, no thousands, 497. The other side, in the same manner, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So here you have 2 crores, 30 lakhs and no thousand but 947. Now if you compare both the numbers, you will find the first one is given as 23 lakh. The greatest number here is 23 lakh, whereas in the second one you have 2 lakh 30,000. 2 crore 30,000. So obviously this is greater than the other one, and you will place the bracket in the broad end of the bracket facing the greater number and the narrower end towards the smaller number. Let's repeat it with the next example, that is example number 2. Alright? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now read the number 30 crore and nothing there, directly 9. So the number which is given to us is 30 crore and 9. The other side, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Here you have 3 crore 89 lakh 46,000 and 9. Now compare them. The greatest value over here is 30 crore, whereas here you have only 3 crore. So which one is greater, 30 or 3 crore? Obviously 30 is greater than 3 crores. And place the sign there. The broader end towards the bigger number, narrower end towards the smallest number. That is all about comparing the numbers. Now let's move on towards ordering the numbers. Ordering the numbers means arranging the numbers. We arrange the numbers in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order and descending order, first you need to know the words. Ascending means to arrange them from small to the biggest one. And in descending, it means to arrange the number from the biggest one towards the smallest. Which means, first we will write the smallest one, then little bit greater than it, then little greater, and finally the greatest one. And in descending, First you write the biggest one, then little smaller, 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 and the last one should be the least number. Am I clear? Let's start and try it out. We'll follow the same step number 2 of writing the place values here as well. But we do not use the sign here to compare them. We compare and arrange them. Alright, let's see how to work it out. We'll write the place values. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So as per the place value, you have 98 lakh 46,982. Alright, let's check the next one now. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. We have here only 4,68,073. So if you compare these two, you will find that 98 lakh is much greater than 4 lakh, isn't it? Now let's see the third number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Here you have 71 lakh 23,468. So this number 71 lakh is greater than 4 lakh, but it is lesser than 98 lakh. Now you got that understanding. Now you have to arrange them in ascending order, which means you have to start arranging from the smallest one and lead towards the biggest one. So here amongst these three numbers, the smallest is the one which is showing here only 4 lakhs. So we will start arranging from there. 4,68,073. Next comes these two, 98 and 71. So this is smaller and this is greater because it is only 71 lakh. Here it is 98 lakh. So we'll write the next smallest one because we are arranging in ascending order. First the smaller, last will be the greatest one. 71 lakh 23,468 and finally 98 lakh 46,982. Alright, this is called arranging in ascending order. Just the opposite is descending order. That is first the biggest one, then the next lesser, lesser, lesser one, and finally the least. And we follow the same technique over here. We write the place values, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then we read the number 98 lakh 46,982, 4 lakh 68,073 and finally 71 lakh 23,468. Then we frame it in our head which one is the greatest over here because we are working out descending order. The biggest one we need first. So automatically we get an answer that 98 lakh is much greater than 71 lakh or maybe 4 lakh. And we write it here accordingly. 98 lakh 46,982 first. Then the next one lesser than it but greater than the next one. 71 lakh 23,468 and finally the smallest one, that is 4 lakh 68,073. So children, this is the way we order the numbers, we compare the numbers as well as we order the numbers. I provide you with one worksheet to practice the same. Work it out, try it, solve it by the help of the place value. Compare it and work it properly.